So this is my interceptor. You might be wondering, how did I deploy these bikes? You can actually reverse tire gears on this game, and I reverse the gear when I undeploy the vehicle. So it's like this. It's time to undeploy the vehicle. The airbag suspension I never deploy, and basically, whoa! Yeah, I can actually flip around. I don't know why I made it like that. Now this tire here, if it moves in circles, yeah, it's telling you the wind speed here and stuff. Well, time to deploy the vehicle again. So should I get rid of my white dots? Every time I barely move my fingers. See, actually, you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm just tapping the screen right now, and you can just see the white dots everywhere. Yeah, and you can see 2 of the white dots when I'm zooming in with 2 of my fingers. And I need to double tap with 2 of my fingers to call this nerd guy for some reason. Okay. Why, but whoa. One spike deploys further than the other. Wow, cool. Maybe because there's not a tire. Oh. Both of them are deployed the same. So I should add a light, should I? Okay, I'm just gonna resave this later. Actually, I'm gonna make it work with only one UI control. I'm gonna enable collisions. I don't know. It's always disabled collisions. Let's put this down. Let's put this down here. For some reason, you can change the color, so I'm gonna make a better color, like black. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, so these sliders are for deploying these spikes, and for the airbag suspension, I'm gonna do this toggle. So save that, exit, and now I'm gonna have to move everything that I added. All of the fans that I added only. So first I'm gonna do the fans because later it's gonna be too hard. So toggle. Wait. Nothing. Let's do that. Toggle, apply. Toggle, apply. Yes. Toggle, apply. Yes. So now I'm gonna put these back in their place, and now I'm gonna connect these and do the slider to activate So now I can do this to Actually, I guess can't really do anything with this, so I might need some button. I might need a button. Toggle button. button toggle for literally the whole entire week. Yes, I'm gonna literally attach one button to the Wego to deploy it. This is gonna be hard. So I'm gonna do the easiest one first. Boom. Apply. This one is also very easy. Apply. I don't know why adding another wire replaces the other connection. So I will need multiple of these buttons on this car. For now, I'm only gonna use 2 of these. Actually, I'm only gonna need 2 of these. I don't really want to make one to like deploy. I don't really want to make one to like do the airbag suspension. I don't know why the game glitches out so much when I turn on ropes. Well, so if I were to turn off this, turn it off. I have to turn off this. Brah. Do I have to turn on that? Okay, I'm just gonna get off these buttons. I guess I'll have to manually deploy it, which is way better. Now I won't even have any like wires. Do you think no wires is better than wires? Than with wires? And also you might be asking, how is an ad not coming? It's because my internet's off right now. When I post it, I'm gonna turn on my internet again. Should I add any upgrades? Tell me. No, actually my internet isn't off. I just have an internet that only works with YouTube. So, and I'm not gonna add any edit music to this because for some reason I can't make it short on this tablet. Why am I saying tablet? You might be asking. I'm actually using a tablet. Yep. I'm on a tablet right now. So, tell me if I should. So, okay. I'm just gonna post it now. Oh. I'm going to stop recording.